Monday, November 28th, 2016, Monaco 64, home of alternative economics and contrarian views. Early market update here from London. It's 10:20 a.m. London time, so 5:20 Eastern Standard Time. We've seen the dollar drop a little bit overall today. Dollar index traded down to 100.64. That was the low. Right now it's rebounded a bit. We are at 101.14, so down 0.25%. We've seen a big move in the dollar yen. Dollars dropped there. Right now 112.35. We got down to as low as 111.35, so still down 0.75%. So big move in the yen. Gold has done fairly well this morning. We traded at a high of 11.98. Right now we're 11.90.25, up $6. The Dow is down about 50 points at 19,121. It got down about 100 points earlier, down to 19,078. Silver is 16.68, up about 1% or 17 cents. It got up to 16.88, so we've come off the highs in gold and off the lows in the dollar. Sterling is fairly weak this morning. We were at 124.30, down 0.5%. We've been down to 124.18. So quite a bit of move in the currencies. Market should get back to normal after a fairly quiet second half of the week last week because of Thanksgiving. So what else have we got here? Yeah, the euro is firmer, is up about 0.5%. And the bond markets, we've seen the 10-year yield drop a little bit. We are at 2.33. It was 2.36 Friday on the close, and I think we got down to around 2.30 earlier today. So bonds a little firmer, stocks weaker, dollar a little weaker, even though it's off the lows. The U.S. dollar. What else? Not really much to report. In the political, side of things, we're seeing that the Green Party candidate Jill Stein is relaunching recounts, and it looks like Hillary Clinton is behind it. But I don't think it will amount to much, this recount. Even President Obama said, it's a done deal. Donald Trump won the election. But yeah, so not much to report here apart from that. Let's see, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin down. We're around 730, so down a little bit from around 740 earlier this weekend. So drifting a little lower, having a bit of difficulty breaking through that 750 level. We've gone through it, but as I said in the previous video, these things always take a little longer than people expect. We move up and down, and then we eventually, I think the trend is higher for Bitcoin. So as I leave here, dollar a little weaker, gold and silver a bit stronger. Dow down about a third of a percent. And in terms of European stock markets, the FTSE is down 8 points at 68.30, so not much move there. The DAX is down 50 points at 10,640. And I guess coming up, we got some important events coming up on Sunday. We got the Italian referendum. It's not on whether to leave the EU. It's more of a constitutional question, but it was a move, it was a move by the prime minister in Italy to have this referendum, and if he loses that could mean that, he'd have to resign. We'd have to see snap elections in Italy, and that could mean, a party coming into power that wants to leave the EU. So that's why it's going to be important. December 4th, that's Sunday coming up. in Italy, and it's going to affect, the markets. We need to keep an eye on that, but only on Monday will we have some kind of response to that referendum. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and if you'd like to donate, I accept Bitcoin, BitGold. You can pay through PayPal or Patreon, and the links for that are below in the description. Take care. Bye.